In this brief demonstration of a modern SharePoint site, we'll see a clean layout of site content such as internal divisions displayed on the page, as well as an app developed in Power Apps and embedded on the page. With this app, we can display all types of internal and external data. For example, here we have the water quality report found on the public site. We input the data into a SharePoint list, then connected it to the app. So now, internally, instead of a spreadsheet type view, we have a very nice tab view. This is just one example of the many features of a modern SharePoint site available in SharePoint 2019 and above. If you have any questions or you want to see more, please contact me. Thank you.